challenges we see in our industry is ongoing from the downturn of the offshore industry and the transition into the other parts. Our equipment has been very tailor-made for offshore, and we have changing our setups now to be more competitive also into the merchant market, and which we have succeeded in. But of course, the vessels need to be built, and new vessels need to be built. More autonomy comes in, and that's where we really see the challenges. How quick does it come? We are outfitting the first autonomous vessel in Europe now this year, and we wonder when it comes in Asia and in other regions. That will be a game changer for the industry when the autonomy really starts to pick up speed. That would probably be that we would see more, what should I call it, more interest in building up the sustainability of the industry. More greener technology that we see is coming, but it comes very slow. And I would like to see that happens quicker, because we need that with the global warming and the environmental challenges that we have on our globe. The marine industry has to take more, what should I say, they have to take more standing for the environment, and that could be what I really wanted to see could change. But it's quite interesting that this industry never. It seems like we are as suppliers, we build up capacity for the when we are on top and continue to move to grow, and then we get the downturn and we are facing difficulties. And that's how it is. Of course, with all the new technology, there is that. What we see, the digital revolution is really taking over the technology on board the vessels, and of course, cyber attack is something that we have to prepare for, and that it will be really important also now in the future that we build in that security into our equipment. We are today in located in 34 countries. We have 45 offices. We are on all continents, and we are in Africa. Africa is interesting because it is an emerging market. But it is, and we are following it close to see what will happen there over the next 10 years. And to make sure that we also have we are on the right positions when that emerging market starts to take up speed. Really happy with the show here. We would of course like to see even more customers, but it has been much better than over the last years, and I think it shows in a way that there is a positive attitude in the industry. Most owners feel that the market has been very slow in all segments, and it's starting to grow again, which is positive for us and positive for the owners who should buy our equipment.